let's make the addition there. Add a design. Make different changes. So let's use the repeated shapes. So click on the bell icon to get more updates. You will get the editing videos from that channel. So these are the designs we have generated that are hidden under the colors here.